Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin.
Question 81. The dragon's hoard was so prodigious that the party's inventory overflowed before they had cleared even a quarter of the treasure room. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Enormously large. B. Cursed and dangerous. C. Poorly guarded. D. Cleverly hidden.
The correct answer is A. Enormously large. Prodigious means immense or huge, shown by the inventory overflowing after only a quarter was cleared. Question 82. Sephiroth's return was a harbinger of disaster. Wherever his shadow fell, whole villages were reduced to ash within days. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Harmless rumor. B. Final defeat. C. Cause of celebration. D. Sign of what is coming. The correct answer is D. Sign of what is coming. A harbinger is something that signals or foreshadows a future event, here foretelling disaster. Question 83. The strategy guide warned players not to be complacent after an easy first phase, because the boss's true attack pattern only begins once your guard is down. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Openly frightened. B. Smug and unprepared. C. Overly nervous. D. Carefully alert. The correct answer is B. Smug and unprepared. Complacent means self-satisfied and unprepared for danger, contrasting with staying alert once your guard is down. Question 84. Zelda's plan to seal Ganon was prudent. She waited for reinforcements, secured every exit, and only then began the ritual. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Reckless and hasty. B. Cruel and selfish. C. Showing good judgment. D. Clumsy and unclear. The correct answer is C. Showing good judgment. Prudent means sensible and careful, shown by waiting for reinforcements and securing exits. Question 85. The mercenary's loyalty proved transient. He fought beside the heroes for one battle, then vanished the moment a richer offer appeared. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Short-lived. B. Lasting forever. C. Deeply sincere. D. Publicly announced. The correct answer is A. Short-lived. Transient means brief or short-lived, supported by his vanishing after only one battle. Question 86. The rival guild leader was known for his acerbic comments in chat, mocking newer players so harshly that many quit the server. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your Question 86. The rival guild leader was known for his acerbic comments in chat, mocking newer players so harshly that many quit the server. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Confusing and vague. B. Quiet and shy. C. Sharply critical. D. Gentle and kind. The correct answer is C. Sharply critical. Acerbic means harsh or biting in tone, matching the mocking comments that drove players away. Question 87. Aloy remained undaunted by the towering machine, striding forward with her spear even as its cannons locked onto her position. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A. Eager for reward. B.
not discouraged by fear. C, confused by the noise. D, frozen with panic. The correct answer is B, not discouraged by fear. Undaunted means not intimidated or discouraged, shown by her striding forward despite the danger. Question 88. The developers made a concerted effort to fix the servers, with the coding, art, and support teams all working together through the night. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means. Here are your choices. A, done in secret. B, done carelessly. C, done reluctantly. D, done jointly and cooperatively. The correct answer is D, done jointly and cooperatively. Concerted means planned or done together, supported by all the teams working together. Question 89. Read the passage. The tutorial insists the shopkeeper is harmless, calling him a simple old farmer. But he knows the name of every hero who ever entered his shop, and he always seems to have exactly the weapon each one will need next. What can the reader best infer about the shopkeeper? Here are your choices. A, he is one of the heroes in disguise. B, he wants to close his shop soon. C, he knows far more than the game admits. D, he is truly a forgetful old farmer. The correct answer is C. He knows far more than the game admits. The details about his uncanny knowledge contradict the harmless farmer claim, implying he is more mysterious than stated. Question 90. Read the passage. Many players assume the mage class is weak because its early spells barely scratch enemies. What they miss is that each level unlocks a hidden bonus, and by the endgame, the mage outdamages every other class by a wide margin. What is the central idea of the passage? Here are your choices. A, the mage's power grows greatly and is underestimated early. B, every class becomes equally strong at endgame. C, the mage class is the weakest in the game. D, players should avoid choosing the mage class. The correct answer is A. The mage's power grows greatly and is underestimated early. The passage emphasizes that early weakness misleads players about the mage's eventual dominance. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.